My name is Anna. I'm 12 years old. I have a pretty big passion for food. So today I will introduce you to food around the world. First, we will talk about famous and popular dishes in America. America dish is so popular in the world, such as hamburger, hot dogs, and beef steaks. Second is China, with steamed dumplings and Peking duck dishes. Next is Japan. This is ramen noodles, mochi, and special is sushi. Next is Korea with kimchi and tteokbokki. As for England, the popular dish is fish and chips. And next is my country, Vietnam. My Vietnam have many delicious foods, such as bánh xèo and bún bò Huế. For it a special dish in Vietnam, for it a dish representing Vietnam. I like many dishes in Vietnam, but I like sushi and mochi of Japan best. I want to say everyone one thing. All the traditions and famous dishes of a country are very valuable, so we should protect, preserve our traditions of your country and respect on traditional of other countries. Goodbye, thank you for watching.